Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the two gloss black front kidney grills. We have the M Performance kit, which includes a gloss black front splitter. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We also have the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. The shark fin antennae up top. We also have the eDrive badging as well, just there, with the gloss black rear spoiler as well. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We also have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhausts, just there. And then taking a look at the interior. So if we come around and take a look at the back first, you find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points as well. We also have the leather trim just here with the blue stitching on the doors, electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, again we have the full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated and there is a look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. We also have the auto lights and the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control, the high beam assist as well. We also have the dashboard just there, the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, a range of media and all of the different drive modes as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.